video about upper back and neck tension. While I will not be seeing anyone in the office, I figured maybe some of us can use this. I know I definitely tightened up midweek with everything that's going on. So this is called a back buddy. Most of my patients who have ever seen me for a neck or shoulder issue probably was recommended to get one of these. You can get them on Amazon. I like the regular back buddy because it has the two nubs in the crook of the hook here, and that's great for along either side of the spine and the back of the neck. So we're just going to do real quick upper trap, levator, and the cervical paraspinals to release some of that neck tension. And then I'm going to show you a pec stretch to open this up because it's all connected. So to get the upper trap, you're going to start with the bone that sticks out at the top of the shoulder. And you're going to put the ball near that bone, just to the side of it, in towards your head. You'll hold the handle here, and you'll hold the other handle at the base with the other hand. And you want to apply pressure about, I would say, no more than a 5 or 6 out of 10, 10 being the worst pain ever. So get in on a point that feels like you're doing something, and then breathe. Try to get it to release halfway and move on up to the next point. So then you'll just move a little closer to the neck along that same line. And then as you feel that release, and it might take a minute or 2 minutes before it does, and then move on up. You might hit a spot that is a true trap trigger point, and you're going to feel a referral pain that goes up along the neck and around the ear. And that's okay. You want to wait until that referral goes away. So you're going to just breathe, relax as much as possible. Don't dig in so hard that your whole body tenses up and it's counterproductive. So you want to get in enough that you feel it, but not so much so that you're going to resist the release. The goal is not to destroy, the goal is for release. You'll take a few seconds there. So you're going to work your way from the bony process that sticks out here. You're going to go all the way up into the crook of the neck here. There's usually a couple really good spots all in this area. And you're just going to stay there. And what you can also do is do a little stretch while you're pushing in on a point. Tipping your head to the side, keeping your chin in line, in good alignment. So you don't want to jut forward with your chin and then tip. Sit up nice and tall, neck and head in good alignment, and then tip. And then the next muscle we want to work is the levator. So you're going to go feel for the top of the triangle of your chicken wing bone. You'll feel it stick out. So if the triangle is like this, you want to get that top corner towards the spine. So same technique. You're going to get the ball of the hook right in there, and then stay there, breathe until it releases halfway. And this one goes from the top of it's called your scapula, your chicken wing bone, the top of the scapula, and then it goes up the neck. So you're going to take that up again to the same area in kind of like the corner of where your neck meets the shoulder. And for this one, if you want to add a stretch, you're going to look down and away towards the opposite armpit. Then you're going to take the two balls in the crook of the hook, and you can start at where your neck meets your upper back, and your spine is going to be between those two balls. And you can just apply some pressure there. And then you're going to work that up. And this just feels really good. And you can hear the baby start. So I'm just going to be on here for a few more seconds. Same thing, find a spot where you feel like you're actually doing something. Breathe. Try to get it to release halfway, and then we're moving up. And you're going to do that all the way up to the base of the skull. And if you want to add a stretch with this, you can just tuck your chin. And then release. And deep breathe through the whole thing. All right. Well, I hope that helps. Any at-home upper back and neck tension. If you don't have one of these, you can always just use your hands and do the same thing. Get in on a spot, do a couple of the stretches, push in, have someone else do it for you. That's even better. And hopefully you guys are hanging in there and not going too crazy. All right, talk soon. Bye.